Hello traders, I hope you guys had a profitable week and I hope you guys be more profitable this upcoming week. With that being said, in this video we're gonna go through our watch list for this upcoming week and hope we're gonna be more profitable. Okay, let's get to it. I'm gonna start with EURNZD. As you guys can see, I'm looking for the buys in EURNZD, but I'm gonna start over for you guys. So as you guys can see, these are my major support and resistance. This could be another support, and this could be another one. Okay, and let's get to the structure of the price right now. So as we can see, the price had like a bearish move here. As you can see, also the moving averages are crossing and it's coming down. And we were creating lower low, lower highs, lower low, and until here we had this little bit consolidation. There was no like a direct move, and after this, the price drop below this area, and we create a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then with this push, the price came down. You can also see some sort of inverse head and shoulder as well in this move. So basically what I'm trying to say is that, so right now with this push, we had this push to all the way up. We then continue to go down. We create a higher high, like higher low, and then we're about to create another higher high, but the market was closed. We didn't have the time to finish it. So I'm hoping that after Sunday, when the market is open, or like maybe fresh day, like a first day tomorrow, like on the London session or New York session, price a little bit continue to correct the move and then continue to goes up. And as you guys can see with this push, this low is not valid anymore, and it's gonna be this leg is gonna be the leg that's gonna change the structure. That's why I'm looking for the longs. And also you can see this candle is like a very, very bullish candle. And then I'm gonna come to the daily, and as you guys can see, the reason why what I'm looking for to buy, because like we come below this area, which was like a resistance, and here's a resistance, and now we're pulling above. And I'm gonna take another thing in my consideration is that here we had like other sort of resistance, because as you can see, this was a resistance, price came down, and here it was rejected again, and then until here. But that's why I don't want to get into trade right away when the market is open. So I'm hoping that price will create some sort of support, and if it breaks above this zone, I'm looking for the buy. And then if the price came down, like, and try to like retest this zone, and then I'm looking for the buy. So basically I have two scenarios for this pair. So if the price all the way above here, and I'm anticipating the price to continue this bullish move, so probably gonna be something like this. And but this is not gonna be my last take profit. If I'm gonna enter here, I'm gonna come to here, and the other one is gonna be here. So basically, this is what I'm trying to do, is like one of like the swing trades, and it depends how you guys trade. You guys can take your money out and manage your risk and profits. So, and if the price came down here, like trying to retest this zone, and I'm gonna enter here, and my take profit is gonna be here, and or maybe here. Like it depends like how the markets treat us and goes. So, and that's why I don't want you guys like to jump into trade on Sundays. It's gonna be a little very risky. This is the scenario that I had for the EURNZD. The next one is AUDJPY, and as you guys can see, I'm also looking for shorts in AUDJPY. Let me explain why. So here we had this trend. If I want to, I don't want to like get it until here because it's going to be like too wide. But we had this like bullish move here. We came all the way up here and we came down. Because like if we can create here like a higher high and then higher low, we also can see this. And then we had this push to the up again. And now I see that the price was like moving here, but it's a little bit like a bullish sign because it was like a higher high, higher low, and higher high. And then this was we didn't break any structures right now because if we want to break this structure, this was if the price come down, this is gonna be the way they're gonna break this structure. And price is a little bit like stuck between these two zones right now in the weekly time frame. And then we can see that we came here. Like I said, this was the lowest point if you want to like go for like a short. And right now again we create another higher low, and then I'm probably thinking like this is going to push to continue down. But still we have these trends as well here. So we have this one touch, two touch. This is going to be the second, like a third touch to make the price to goes up. But we also have this another trend here as I'm sorry. Also we have this another trend to downside. So, and as I think the last candle, you guys can see we had this rejection of our trend line channel. Price is coming down. Maybe like probably gonna be the test this trend line on this like a support area. And with this candle that I'm saying, this is like a strong push to the downside. And I'm gonna go to the daily. On the daily, this was like a resistance. It was like acted as a support, and then we break below, and then here it was a resistance. Now we break above, and we're coming down, and we're breaking below this resistance at this area again. And I'm hoping that because of this 200 moving average and the cross of the image, I'm anticipating the price to go down. My first take profit is going to be the first support, which is going to be here, and the last one is going to be here, or maybe you guys could put it in here as well. And also it depends like how you guys manage your risk. And I'm hoping the price like to like come down a little bit and make some sort of like a resistance or like resistance, and also like retest this zone and continue to go down on the lower time frames. And I'm looking for the entries on like maybe 4 hour or 1 hour. And this is my scenario for the AUDJPY. Next pair is AUDNZD. I'm looking for the buys or longs. I'm gonna go to the weekly to show you why. So basically, like I said, it's all about the structure. So price here like K all the way down. So we were hoping for like a bearish trend, so like make a lower low, lower high, and then lower low. But the problem is we didn't make a lower low because like this is equal to this low here, and the price is now going up. So right now, so we are rejecting this like a lows. So probably we're gonna like break this structure with this leg and hoping for longs. So here you can also, as you can also see that, okay, this is like a downtrend and we are making a double bottom. This is a neckline, we break the neckline and like we're hoping the price it goes up. So basically, as you guys can see, with this bullish candle on the weekly we have, so we close above this area and we also close above the 200 moving average. So I'm gonna go to the daily, and as you guys can see, we have this in our favor. So look at this this consolidation here. So price broke above and now it's probably gonna retest this zone or this zone, or maybe like create some sort of support like around this area and continue to price that goes up. And if I'm gonna get buys, this is gonna be my stop loss on the daily, and this is gonna be my ultimate take profit. But like I said, for the buys, my first take profit is gonna be around here because it's gonna be the first resistance, and then here. This is my scenario for AUDJPY, and the last but not least is CADJPY. So on the weekly, as we can see, we came here higher, and then we create like a higher low, and then we're gonna create another higher high in the weekly time frame. Then we came back, but we couldn't create a higher high. So basically, this is the reason why I'm looking for shorts here. So, and we also create, we were close below this area. This was the resistance, and like we had like a broke above, but it was like a fake out. It came back again, and right now is acting as a resistance again. So if I'm gonna have the ultimate take profit for my short position, it's gonna be here, and here is gonna be like the first support on the weekly, but this is gonna take too long, so I'm gonna go to the daily and show you guys where are my first take profit. So if I see this here, so basically we have this some sort of support, and now we break below it. As you guys can see in the 4-hour time frame, is like more clear. So on the 4-hour time frame, we had this support, and now we broke below, and we have this moving average, 200 moving average in our favor. And if we reject this zones or this moving average, we hoping the price will continue to goes down. And my first take profit is gonna be here, and the reason why is that if you make a higher high, higher low, higher high, and the previous higher high is not can act as a support. And this is the first take profit, and if you continue to goes down, this is gonna be my second take profit, and it will continue to goes down. The next support areas are gonna be my take profit, but like I said, it depends on how you guys trade and how you guys risk your managing profits. Some people would like to close at 10 pips or 20 pips or make it risk free, but I'm hoping you guys like after 10 to 20 pips, make sure you guys won't lose money. All right, then, thank you guys so much for listening to me. I hope you guys follow us on Instagram, IG, and other things. If you guys have any problems or questions, you can ask us. And that's it. Thank you so much.